Back on Animal Planet AMP, we are observing the leopard. Watch this leopard find its prey. Oh! Cobweb! Ah. You see, this is how this leopard attracts females. Not by running away, but by rolling over on its back. This seems to be the leopard's hideout. Approach it cautiously. He spotted us! I'm going to flank him! The leopard meets the jaguar. Oh no. Oh no. We're gonna see what happens here. Dangerous battles. We try our best not to alert the creatures. See, here in the wild, we try our best not to alert the creatures because I think I alerted the creatures. There's an accident, though I didn't mean it. There's the leopard and the jaguar. Leopards and jaguars are very friendly. Okay, see, he's running away from us, not the jaguar. Let's go see what we can observe from the jaguar, shall we? Disperse! He's in attack motion! Scared away the leopard. Nice going. Here in the wild, you can always find houses just like this one. And fortunately, the door will be unlocked, and there will always be an ice-cold cup of tea. Now see if the leopard joins back with its family members. But we can't go that way because we'll probably be eaten.